Hello and welcome back, guys. So in this particular problem, what we need to do is we need to find the shortest string, right? So to do that, we will, let's say, assume at first that sentence dot split the first a word. Let's say in this context, this, right? So this is the shortest word in for. We are just assuming it at the beginning, right? And at the end of it, we need to return it as well. That is one thing, and let's loop over this thing split value, right? Split will split it at space by default, right? No need to pass the separator. And if the length of I is less than the length of word, right, that we currently have, we will return, not return, but we will change the word to be I, because if it is less, right, so this is not the shortest value in it, right? Hence we need to change it. Okay, so that's how we can do it. But if we don't have this, if we don't assume any word, it will be zero, hence the condition won't be satisfied, right? So we will need some kind of value in it. Okay, that's why we could choose anything. It could be 1 0 -1, whatever, right? It does not matter. So when we run the code now, it should work just fine. Let's submit the code. Then let's check other people's solution as well. Okay, split and then minimum, and then they used key equals to length. Okay, this is a very elegant solution. I like this. Okay, so we don't need the loop and blah blah everything, right? So a lot of people have, some of them have used it, right? So X, and then it takes in the key as well. On what basis do we need to find the minimum, right? And if we just specify length, we can basically get the value, right? That's a very good idea, right? A lot of them are doing something similar, I guess. If length of I equals minimum of check length, okay, then you return I. Okay, that is also a good one. I guess it's more better than mine because it does not have to loop over every other thing, right? Well, basically it's looping over it as well, because when you're getting the length of every sentence over there, you've got a list of different things, right? So it'll be 5 5 in case of hello world, and if we are checking minimum of it, it'll be 5, and if that is there, it just returns it directly, right? But there will be a test case where, like, even my program will fail. Okay, if there is a test case where the minimum, okay, the first instance of the minimum is what we need to return, right? Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I think it will work. It'll work just fine. Okay, I like this approach much better. I did not know about this minimum key equals to len. I missed that completely. I must have seen it somewhere, but I missed it. Okay, thank you for your time. That's the best solution that I have shown you. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye bye.